Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your MSI model and Windows build because app names differ. Then open MSI Dragon Center or MSI Center straight away. Run the app as administrator to ensure settings persist. Once the app is open, navigate to the device scanner or Mystic Light/LED section. This is where keyboard backlight lives. If you don't see the app, try the keyboard shortcut first. Hold FN and press the lighting key like F3, or once inside Mystic Light or the keyboard lighting tab, make sure to choose the keyboard device specifically. MSI separates chassis, logo, and keyboard zones. You'll see modes like static, breathing, or off. Pick off or set brightness to 0% to fully disable the LEDs. Apply or save the profile so changes stick after a restart. If the app shows profiles, create a keyboard off profile and assign it to start with Windows, which ensures the light remains off every boot. Finish by restarting the laptop to confirm the keyboard light stays off. Make sure the MSI apps profile is applied at startup. If the backlight stubbornly stays on, update the MSI Center and keyboard drivers, then reopen the lighting panel and reapply off. As a quick fallback, use the FN plus the keyboard lighting key to toggle manually. If nothing works, check BIOS lighting options or reset to defaults. Sometimes firmware controls override Windows utilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.